Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Brownsville, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving a long distance on your own, it's not easy to handle luggage for such a long period. Plus, a mover requires permits and certifications to cross state lines and country lines for a long-distance shift. Moreover, shifting your belongings to another city or country requires more planning and manforce. Thankfully, being the oldest moving firm, we have a good working relationship with the local Federation Association. So they have provided us with legal permits and certifications. Plus, our team is qualified and experienced to navigate your shift and make sure you have the apartment in a defined time. Are you planning to move locally? Then make sure that you hire a professional mover such as 3 Movers. Our team is experienced, qualified, and trained to handle all types of belongings and easily navigate your shift. Plus, our fit provides same-day shifting for local moves, which saves time and energy and money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brownsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.